Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about multipolar world, role of India, Japan, Iran and Turkey. Here you can follow me. Our today's quotation is first they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win. Said by Mahatma Gandhi. So always focus on your goal. Never think who said what to you. Our one-liner questions are Quad members are how many countries are Quad members? Then Turkey is member of which organization? Iran and China sign $400 billion deal for how many years? Cold War between US and Soviet Union ends in which year? Then conflict between Japan and China on which island? Our today's question is Japan, Iran, Turkey and India should focus to make multipolarity world rather than a new Cold War era. The defining characteristics of the emerging global order. The Cold War was a period of geopolitical tensions between the US and Soviet Union, which ends in 1991 after the disintegration of Soviet Union. Japan, India, Iran, Turkey are emerging powers of Asia continent in terms of developing political, economic and social life. Each country have its own significance in Indo-Pacific Ocean. You can draw this map if you have time. Otherwise no need to draw it. Reason behind new Cold War. US view China as a new rivalry after Russia and continuously increasing conflict between them in terms of global power and trade war, increasing competitiveness between countries for self-interest. Then USA opposed Russia over Crimea issue, intervention in presidential election, poisoning of Alexei Navalny and cyber attacks also. China view Quad. Members of Quad are India, USA, Japan, Australia. Quad group as Asian NATO, set by China. Then role of Iran, India, Japan, Turkey. First we will discuss about our country, India. India have good relations with USA, which helps to attract investment, research, development and new technologies. Also want to tackle global issues like climate change and peace establishment in Afghanistan and also members of Quad group. India is facing border dispute with China, both are neighboring countries. Then Iran. Former president of USA imposed sanctions on Iran and pull out from nuclear deal. Result: Iran tilted towards China for its oil exports and signed deal for of $400 billion for next 25 years. But Iran also willing to sign nuclear deal again with USA and also wanted to removal of sanctions which imposed on them. Iran, then Japan, also member of Quad group and dependent on USA in terms of security and also dependent on China in terms of trade and also neighboring country and also have a territorial dispute on Senkaku Island. Turkey, member of NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization and want to good relations with West, also buying S-400 system from Russia and want good relations with China also to attract investment through BRI Belt and Road Initiative and Russia with nuclear power plant. Steps need to taken for multipolar world. Then India need to make balance between US and China because China is our neighboring country and territorial dispute can be resolved by talk only. To reduce Iran's dependency on China, US need to remove sanctions and rejoin the Iran nuclear deal JCPOA. What is JCPOA? Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, the nuclear deal. It was also in India's favor because Iran export oil at low price to India. For Japan and Turkey, S-400 deal of Turkey, US need to understand that every country has its own interest and need to give autonomy to them. Then Quad need to provide vaccines to the developing countries to fight COVID-19 and develop Southeast Asia region. In this era of globalization, countries need to make good relations and active participation. need to increase global bilateral and international coordination. Then our conclusion would be India is emerging power and have presence in UNSC, G20, ASEAN, BIMSTEC and other international organizations. We can see consequences of single and bipolar world in the past. So India, Japan, Iran, Turkey all are connected with US and China. They need to make balance between them and also focus on multipolarity world for development and share prosperity and focus on UN sustainable development goals and other issues like climate change and COVID-19. Answers of one line question. Quad members are India, USA, Japan and Australia. Turkey is member of NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Iran and China signed deal of $400 billion for next 25 years. Cold War between US and Soviet Union ends in 1991. Conflict between Japan and China is Senkaku Island. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.